bad dream. It might be sad. Who's expired?
Huh?
Your card expired.
It's this thing right there.
Oh.
Want some rice?
No.
Want some rice?
No.
It's wheat. It's whole wheat. It's healthy. It's whole
thought...
wheat. It's whole wheat. Yeah.
Yep.
It's healthy.
Very great.
Rice out of these. I think. He's a cowboy.
Oh, no.
Wow. This is faster than I thought.
All right.
It's nice here.
Mm-hmm. Oh. What? Oh yeah.
Hello, cowboy, or dumpling, or whatever you are.
All right.
I think we'll go this way. Yeah. He's everywhere.
Even don't know where you're going. Why we following you? Yeah. One of them tried to be in my mouth.
Really?
Ew.
Yeah, it's right here. Look at the way. Oh,
One.
we made it to this house here. I think. Yeah.
Was it like a month ago?
I think.
It was a lot shorter than I remember.
Grown.
Should
we go this way?
Yeah, we go this
We
way.
did last time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can go this way.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, water butterfly. Oh, it's so pretty.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. I'm pretty.
So eat that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeehaw.
Want some of this?
rice last night.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was good.
sounds good. More back there.
Yeah, and there's no trail up there.
Hmm.
I know. It's too bad that you can't come with us today.
I know.
It's just kind of tired today. Yeah. She worked. Oh yeah, there's the bench.
You can sit on that?
Really, really nice out here.
Hmm.
I get to see the nice butterflies.
Or spiders for you?
No, let's not go there.
Maybe I should.
Like spiders.
You never
They
know.
can definitely hide in the grass too, if you don't know it. They hide everywhere.
Or
Hmm?
you hide in your hair too.
Well, I had bugs in my hair once before.
Oh, well then you get away from me. Oh, what's that?
That's a different eye. Another trail over there.
Yeah, I wonder what that.
Probably just goes to the road. Yeah, probably. I can hear the rope from there. Yeah. I just,
We all can hear the road. Not far away.
yeah. Go exploring our options. You know?
There's another different option.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Are you like eating that?
Yeah, sure. You want pine cones?
No, I'm good. First, my teeth are nice and sharp.
For now. There's bugs right here.
Oh yeah, I know. Look at that tree. It was like bent over.
Yeah, it's taking a nap.
The tree taking a nap.
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Lots of them.
Yeah?
Organized.
Okay.
Oops.
Organized village container. Okay. Okay. You're trying to break your back?
Yeah.
Like, you're like, okay.
It says
So it's like, I'm loose.
Jack Sparrow. Look.
Yeah, what?
Or Negan walks one
Or
from
like,
the show.
Ben tried to bend his back, like, walk like this. Walk like this. Why?
What? Or like. That's how you
Break your back?
stretch your back with it.
Yeah, stretch. Go ahead and stretch.
But don't let one rip.
Uh-huh.
That'd be weird.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Hmm. Okay.
He's in really good movies too.
Yeah? Like me?
What?
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 Never mind. I'm not done eating grass yet.
All you need is your hat and boots.
And a guitar.
Yeah, a cowboy.
I'll need a banjo for you.
Hey, yeah. All you have to do is your cowboy boots and a guitar and a hat. And it'd be like stopping Tom.
Or slap the top with you.
No. No.
Oh.
Yeah. Does it smell good?
Oh.
It's like smelling like a cigar.
No.
You're smelling it like.
No. Look, it's a plane.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, yeah. So look to the ground.
Yeah.
The airport's just over there.
Yeah.
Yep.
I want to go to the airport. go to Hollywood.
Mhm.
Yeah, so quiet.
Yeah. It's a good thing I brought water for you.
Oh,
I brought
yeah.
water for you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
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 I got stuff and equipment in my bag.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah?
Phone.
Yeah?
Band-Aids.
Want some berries?
No, they're probably poisonous.
Aren't you a lucky duck?
No. No. What is the Hunger Games kind of thing?
Yes.
Eat the berries?
Yeah.
Until we both die?
No?
Until, like, oh, wait. And then
No.
you
No,
Awesome.
you become a blueberry
guys
from the
call me-
chocolate factory.
You guys call me a blueberry head.
Sure.
Always. Dad does.
You going there?
Go in there? No. I don't want to fall in there.
Oh. I wish.
Oh, that's,
Imagine that bug in that drink.
yeah, I can imagine that.
I mean,
I didn't realize it was sitting on my coffee.
imagine the bug went inside of it and got boiled. And it goes with your drink. Ew.
I'd be like, let's go. No. Not really.
Good timing.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, we got a picnic down here.
Yeah? You're just like...
Mm-hmm.
Just imagine it'd be like seeing all the zoo animals out here.
Oh, my part.
Yeah.
Are you part of it?
No. Let's see. There's chimpanzees.
Oh,
There are
they're
monkeys around.
probably in the zoo. You want to go see them? Go there.
Hey, you can say hi to your flock
No.
of your monkeys. I especially I like the otters too. The otters are very, very cute. Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. And it's not as hot.
Thank you.
Really? You should think I was coming here on your... Never mind.
Man, John. I don't know.
Ew, that smells good.
Did you see any snakes?
No, not that I know. No. So far, no snakes. Nope.
I don't know.
Just imagine if you find one
Yeah,
and they're just slithering away.
yeah, called the Slytherin.
No.
I call it Greenie. The Guinea, whatever.
Nagini?
Yeah.
That's her name.
That's Voldemort.
It's actually a girl's name.
Are you?
I am a girl, yes.
Not really.
Is it? I'm a woman, actually.
Kinda.
I'm a woman.
Not in dreams. Down the hill. Want to talk and roll?
What?
Down,
No.
roll down the hill?
What is this, really pulley down there?
Yeah. What up a rock, so. Oh no.
Yeah. Not wearing the proper footwear for the gravel.
Uh.
It's an egg.
Mm. You hearing that birds?
What?
Birds, I said.
Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah, if I call your
Can
name.
we identify it?
Yeah.
It's like yeah, it sounds really small too. Small birds.
Birds call your name?
I'm sure it's good. It's so skilled.
Sure.
A red-eyed Vero.
That's new. You don't hear that every day.
There's a lot of birds.
Yeah. Hey, I hear something.
Oh, and a cardinal.
Cool. Oh, that is interesting.
Yeah.
You want flour?
Cardinal and a red-eyed.
That's
If you're hungry and eat some vegetables, I have some in my bag.
Really?
Instead of chewing
This
grass.
is hand me his leftovers. After I gave you it.
Maybe.
Wow. No. Yeah, it's like dried rice. It's dried from the sun. You can smell it.
Yeah.
It's dried up. Ew. Hold on. You gonna eat it some more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a break. Chicken trail.
Yeah,
We
let's
should
go that way.
way.
I think we went to the main trail last time.
Yeah, that
we
one.
did. Actually, yeah, last time.
We're gonna go that way. Follow down.
There. Oh.
Oh yeah, the road's there.
Hmm. You see any other turtles like last time?
Turtle.
Yeah. Oh.
You got me there, Paul.
Oops. My foot got stuck between the branches of the tree.
Literally. You can never know. I found a metal thing over there.
Yeah.
You never know what you're finding there too.
A cookie pan. I don't know. You want bake some cookies?
Yeah. Just winters ago, you know, I saw a dead crow.
Oh, you can call it
Yeah.
Damien?
No, saw a dead bird. It's
Oh.
like we're following the blood trail,
That's I don't know.
and for some.
Whatever. Yep. What's wrong with you?
What's that down there?
Oh, there's a trail that leads to snakes like you.
Hmm.
And the snakes just want to be with you.
Huh. I want to see what's down here.
You decide.
What?
You decide.
Yeah. I can't find a big stick.
And a hiking stick. And bug.
You just let them go on their own.
Yeah.
Go. Don't leave her.
Oh.
Found it. This is new trail over here.
Yeah. Across the stream.
What? No, he'll probably trip, bud. Wait.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Co-op, man. Yeah.
Good thing I was wearing my full shoes today.
Yeah. But not the. But I forgot your pants too. Not for me. Then bugs over me.
Hey, you just follow the tree.
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's go here. I know. Look at this. This is nice.
Yeah. Call it the creek. Nothing left and got bugs.
We're in the creek now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. It's called Jurassic Creek.
Yeah, you definitely see the rocks in here.
Hey. You take a mud bath
Mud bath. Actually, mud bath is supposed to be really good for you.
or rock bath?
We're on that trail. Yeah,
Yeah.
we're on it. We just went down that way.
Mosquitoes
Yeah,
everywhere.
I know.
I know, right? Oh no.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquito.
How many mosquitoes out here?
I don't want you, I want us, I want everybody.
Is it? Okay, this ended. Yeah, I think we reached to the end.
Alright,
And we go get that.
yeah, take that thing off my mouth.
I'm getting eaten alive.
Yeah, we all are.
Hmm.
Must be nice.
But we can go back this way. Sure.
We could probably bug zapper.
Might just take us to where we were.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Find out.
One way or another.
Yep.
We're in the woods.
Yeah.
But no dinosaurs. Except for one, it's right here.
Just imagine the dinosaurs would be here and like,
We be gone.
yeah.
Like no tomorrow.
They'd be eating all these leaves and everything.
And people.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs, just giant birds. Not just birds, like fossils.
You shall not pass. There you go. Here's your card. I found your cane.
Cane.
And the door handle.
One of those.
Sure.
Here, to help you. And you shall not pass.
It should be alpaca. No. Speaking
Yeah?
that guy. I gotta finish the movie of it, Lord of the Rings.
Oh yeah?
I finished
How
one.
was it?
That was good.
Yeah?
Awesome.
Good. Ooh.
I got finished 2 sequels. And I also want to get the Hobbit films too.
Oh, yeah.
Someday.
All those trilogies, huh?
Someday.
Good to finish watching.
Yeah. And maybe you be in it. You fit right in.
Yeah, fit the future. The Hobbit.
That'd be a good costume for you for Halloween.
I'm your little goblin.
Oh, that's nice.
Long trail.
Oh no, right, the trail is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm looking for spider web.
You found a web again?
I
Try not
could.
to
What you
fall.
saying earlier? There's a spider web somewhere.
Find,
And I walked right through.
you find it yet?
I just did.
Oh,
Whoa. What was that? Something crawled away and then,
it's animal.
yeah.
Been a little frog.
Yeah.
A frog or a bunny?
Did you just see something move?
I caught my eye, but I can't
No, it's
I
too
couldn't
fast.
identify it, what it was.
It's too fast to move.
Yeah.
A toad or a frog?
So, yeah.
It could be something. Yeah, real creepy. Mm-hmm.
You know, these over down
You tripping yourself again?
there. You saw that?
Everybody saw that. I'd barely trip.
Hey, there's a log.
Oh, it's like a log, eh?
Yeah, you can stop for a minute.
Yeah, you can stop in front of the log.
Yeah, you can stop for a sec.
This trail's neat.
Yeah, thank you.
What is this? Bugs.
That makes no
What?
sense.
I know. They're all over me.
They like you best.
I guess. Today.
Yeah. Thanks everybody. Because we got company
Huh.
now. Let's
Oh, I also put
Greeks.
that lotion on this morning too.
yeah.
Oh,
Then,
is it scented?
Yeah. Ow. It must like the scent.
Yeah.
huh.
Yeah.
It got me too, and it got everybody.
Ooh. Yeah, take a break from walking for a sec.
Never been on this trail before.
No,
this
this is
will be the
cool.
first.
Yeah, we are the first. Well,
Yeah.
I bet people who have been on here before.
Yeah. We'll walk a little bit more and then we'll turn back.
This might even loop around that
Yeah.
new trail. This could be the one that we're...
Must be. Probably want to find out, I
Interesting.
guess. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, let's find out, shall we?
Yeah.
I kind of like these trails. It's nice and peaceful, but sometimes the roads are next door. Like, oh, peace and quiet.
you can hear it.
Kinda.
The road's right there.
I know, right?
You can hear it.
I can hear you in my thoughts. Well-
What do you have? Telekinesis? You can hear my thoughts? What am I thinking now?
I'm taking you coffee and rest at home.
Yeah.
And spider webs.
That like freaked me out about that.
Spider. Wait, speaking of spiders, I found like 2 of the spiders under my bed.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saw that.
Face.
I was wearing goggles.
Well, I need to see.
I can see fine in the shade with my glasses, man.
Take it right in the face. What do you call it? Those ranges?
Yeah. They like to want to play games called Smack in the Face.
That's not the first time that happened. In
Yeah.
the face.
Gandalf says, you should not pause.
I know you got your brilliant stick.
I know, right?
Yeah.
The short
And
one.
that makes it look like you're hiking.
I'm a hiker, all right.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for somebody. from the traffic.
Yeah. That is true.
But go away. Hmm. And what we got here? You coming there?
Yep.
That's 1 and 2. Yep. Okay. Oh. Yes, there's mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. Don't need them.
Yeah, never. It's not ready yet.
Where are we headed?
No, it's
But
getting
Thicker and taller.
we're in the jungle.
Yeah. It seems
Welcome to Jurassic Park in the jungle.
a bit
Whoa.
longer to me.
Apparently.
We can almost turn back, too.
Let's keep going. It'll loop around.
Yeah, hope
I hope
so.
so.
Hmm.
Can't find a stick. Oh.
Where would we end up finding a bear or a deer? Well, bears.
You're lucky. Amazing.
Bear. Well, bears. Don't.
Bears can run really fast, too.
Yeah, but don't run.
Yeah.
They hibernate. So. Ooh. And.
More roots?
Roots? Is that your roots?
No. You can tell the bugger.
I know, right?
Hold on.
Holy. I'm gonna set these on. Somewhere else on the way.
Ew.
Hey.
Ow. I'm getting off. Ow.
Let's keep going then. Keep moving.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently we're in their territory. Others.
I'm definitely getting bit by mosquitoes all.
Maybe they think you're sweet.
Yeah, my blood's sweet.
Yeah.
I am sweet.
It be part of. What?
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
There's that stump.
There's that stump with the spider webs.
Ew.
Yeah.
Huh. Must have been rotten.
Rotten.
Yeah.
It's burned. Somebody.
It's burnt.
So I can see somebody was doing the art run here.
Oh, there's 2 ways.
2 ways, eh?
Let's go to the right.
This one?
Or, I don't know. Probably doesn't matter. They both kind of are towards me. So.
Yeah.
Open will. Buggy. Okay. Hmm.
Oh, go back where we came from? Back here?
Not yet.
Oh, go to the river first.
Where is the main trail right here?
Oh, we're gonna get lost, not me.
Oh no. Hmm. Ah, here's opening over there. Here.
Open trail will be up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or the exit trail, call it.
Ooh, we made it.
Yes.
Yay! We made it.
Oh yes.
That was an interesting trail.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
now we know.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh, that's easy.
That's
That was so nice.
interesting trails, shall we? Okay. I still have my stick.
I know.
Or log stick, whatever.
You just
Staff.
You just put your stick right in front of the entrance.
Yeah. Like other people who take it also.
Yeah.
It's meant for everybody. Long trail.
And that's me getting eaten.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh yes.
You want some waterfall?
Yeah.
Here.